Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Let's analyze tomorrow's markets and understand where support and resistance is for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Let's start off with Bank Nifty first. Bank Nifty gave a flat opening and we saw a major crash from there. Bank Nifty tried to take minor supports, but it couldn't sustain. The supports couldn't sustain. It tried to take a major support around 47,800, but even that failed, and we saw a sharp fall from there as well. And if you look at Bank Nifty's closing, it is somewhere around our demand zone at 47,500, and which we had discussed in previous trading sessions as well. If we directly jump into Bank Nifty's OI, it is clearly evident that it is really bearish, and there is a huge amount of call writers which suggest a major bearish sentiment. If we look at 47,500 strike at which Bank Nifty has given closing, the call writers have already dominated this strike compared to put writing. And from here at the downside, 47,000 is the direct major support that we can see in the OI. On the higher side, 47,800 and 48,000, these two strikes are looking like a major resistance that Bank Nifty could face in the coming trading sessions. If Bank Nifty opens flat or somewhere around 47,400 to 47,800, this would be a no trading zone because Bank Nifty could turn really volatile, because if it opens somewhere in this range and we see profit booking of the sellers who had shorted the market from around 1:30 or 2 o'clock, because of the profit booking, we could see a major or a sharp rally on the upside. Or if it opens around this range and the sellers who couldn't short the market today, they decide to short it tomorrow in tomorrow's trading session, we could see a direct breakdown of this level at 47,400, and we could see it rally till 47,200 or 47,000, which is a major demand zone as we saw in the OI. On the higher side, if Bank Nifty moves upwards or changes its trend, 47,800 would be the first resistance that Bank Nifty will face or can face. If it breaks 47,800, then 48,000, which is a round level, would turn into a major resistance, which was its previous support levels. If we move on to Nifty's chart, Nifty 2 gave a slight gap up opening, but it had opened directly at its resistance at 21,760. We saw it Nifty also crash from the same level. Nifty gave a closing at 21,500, which is a major demand zone for Nifty. And if we come to Nifty's OI, 21,500 is still looking like a major demand zone or a major support zone for the index, because the put writing is still strong. As we saw in Bank Nifty, that the call writers had already dominated the ATM strike. On the higher side, 21,600 and 21,700 are looking like major resistances for Nifty. On the downside, 21,400, 350, 300, all these strikes are looking like a good support, or can turn into good supports, as there is very minimal amount of call writing or almost no call writing compared to the put writing. If we come back to our chart, if Nifty opens between 21,500 and 21,600, this would turn into a no trading zone just like Bank Nifty. But if Nifty breaks 21,600 resistance, then we could see it rally till 21,680 or 21,700, which is our OI resistance. On the downside, 21,400 or 21,350, this range would be a major support level or demand zone for Nifty. But as you can see at around 21,450, there is a gap that Nifty had left. We could see it close the gap, and as we know that gaps do act like a support or resistance as and when the index closes the gap. So we could see Nifty taking a support at 21,450, but since there is immediate resistance at 21,500, we could see it take support, then take support, go upside, then take resistance at 21,500, which is our previous demand zone or current demand zone. We could see it take support, and the sell-off could continue as new sellers would enter the markets. So this would be our analysis for tomorrow. Thank you.